join, they just go through the recording videos. So that will be a better option. Okay. So let me share my screen. So yesterday, on previous day, I told you I will be working with the payment, right? Right now, I'm not
Yes,
going to
sir.
work with the payment. Okay. So I'll stop the payment. Before that, we'll move on to the filtering. Okay. So there was an issue yesterday. On previous day, when I keep on searching, I didn't get any values, right? So that we have to check that today, and then we'll move on to the filter like A to Z, B to A. So this kind of thing will be look into that. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Oh, oh, something like this. Where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is. Yeah. Okay. So, and it is like this. I have to use only nothing to the mm-hmm. Okay. Back to we'll inspect this and we'll check into this. So why this is like entire page is gone. So what is the issue? I think this is almost the UI issues. Second. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me comment this code as of now. Okay. So what happened? Okay. Okay. For after search, there is a card here. I think inside I input, I have to bring it. Don't show that. So can you? Okay, I think the issue lies. No, this is not an issue. When you search only, it will happen. There is an empty string which only is giving the injection. So, okay. Okay, I think I have to write some values here, it seems. Okay, I will move on to that. So what I have to do is here, Sabri, are you listening? Sabri, shall I proceed? Yeah. So if
Okay, sir. Okay.
yeah, so what we have to do is we have to filter this. So what I have done is I just filtered here and to the lowercase. Okay. So I think this is not. I think because of this, the issue is we are getting all the values. Okay, filtering. So what we have to do is we are searching, right. Particular value if we are searching, then only we have to get the values. So then only we can able to retrieve. So what we have to do here is inside a handle change function, open a if and add e. Okay, so mention it as a e. So if the value e dot trim, okay, so e dot trim, so if I goes with is equal to, okay, an empty string, right. So then second, okay, so then I'm opening this. So what I have to write here is, so that will be, I have to first, it will be set filter. Okay, where it is data filter data. So okay, I have to declare one more variable here. Set sorry okay, constant filter data comma set filtered data. Okay, so I'm going to store that entire search value inside this. Okay, as of now. So you stay. So now I have given an array. So here what I'm going to do is just pass this set filter here and add it. What we have to do here is just give as a empty as of now. If the value is there, it will be empty. And then we have to use an else. Okay, so else goes with else. Then what we have to do is what you have written right here, the function what I have written here. So just cut this, go inside here, okay, and paste this. So we have to pass this inside a set of set filtered. So then only it will get try to filter the value and retrieve it. Okay, the data. So now I am passing this. Okay, I'm just making use of it. So now what I'm going to do is instead of filtered item, so here I'm what I have mapped here is going to add filtered data. Filter it data. Okay, so right. So I think filter it data. Let us check whether it is working or not. Okay, let me move now. Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me remove this entire UI so that I can able to map it into the another UI. Okay. So instead of form, okay, I'm just removing this form here. Remove this form. Just input handle change is enough. Uh, okay. So now I'm adding search term handle change. Okay. So everything is fine. Okay. So it's okay. Think okay, it's really big here. So let me add this as inside deflex form control deflex. So that will be better. Yeah. So now it's fine. We'll keep the UI as it is. And what I have to do here is go to my div. Okay. So already I'm having the div here. So just I want to remove this entire thing here as of now. So what first thing will be, I'm not going to use any row here. Okay, after my input, I'm going to open a UL. Okay, inside a UL, I'm going to write a LI. Okay, so the LI will be item with the price. Okay, so for that, what I have to use, I'm going to use my template replets. Okay, so use this, use this. So that will be as if I'm writing card dot title. Okay, card dot price. So first thing will be this, and then I'm going to add FAP fine. So that will be gives me the cart item dot price. Okay. So now, okay. So this is okay. So I have to use image also. So we'll keep the image part inside. Okay. This one should have that. Okay. So drop down. Uh, so now what I'm going to do is this is style. Okay. So that will be position relative. So now I'm having input. Let me keep this input as it is, and so I'm not going to change anything. So, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add one more class name called drop down. Okay, so I'm just calling this. Let me drop down toggle. Okay, so one class name. So then I have to pass here in my input. Yeah, I think it's in my input. I have to pass the data ps toggle is equals to filter rate data dot length. If it is equal to 0, then make use of this drop down class name. Otherwise, make use of empty string as of now. And then what I have to do, I have in my UL, okay, I have to map my value. So that will be filter data dot length. First, I'm going to retrieve the length value. So I'm going to get, so enter values of list. So given an and operator, and then close it this with inside UL. Okay, just map this true inside the UL here. Okay. Okay. So now I have done this. Okay. So now what I have to do is in my UL. So I have to give the class name, right? So go with the class name. I think the class name will be drop down menu. Okay, so drop down menu, so it will be show, and then I have to give some styles here. Okay, let me go with style. So that will be in terms of position, position absolute. Okay, Top will be 100%, left is 0. I think let me keep with us. Okay, that's 100%. Maximum height 250 pixel. Okay. Okay, so maximum height is 250 pixel here. Width is 250. What happened here? Why you can overflow? Okay. Okay, so now I given this. So now here what I have to do is in my LI, I have to filter the data. Okay, filter data dot map. I'm going to map this and I'm going to show that. So your map. Okay. Uh, in a second, I think I have to use this. Okay, let me assume as A. So what I have to take? Yeah, I have to copy this entire thing and have to use here. So inside this, let me remove this now. So keep it my LI. So after LI, I'll be having my link. Yeah. So if you want to transfer to one page, so we have to give link. Okay. Uh, link to slash product detail. So slash will be a dot id. I'm passing a dot id here. So close with the link here. Okay. And then what I have to do here is so for this class, I have to use the class name. Sorry, for link, I have to use the class name here. So class name will be drop down item deflex align item center. Okay. So then inside my link tag, so I have to give image. First will be the image here. Okay, let me close with image and then goes with one div. So that will be like inside there will be another div. So that will be like known as a dot title. Okay, and after this moves a small class name. It's muted. FA rupee added a dot price. Okay, so I have to give this image, right? So source will be a dot images of 0. Okay, so close it. Give this style as width will be 50, 50 pixel. Height will be okay. Let me check one time whether the URL is correct or not. Yeah, product hyphen data. Okay, so we'll check that whether UI is correct or not. Okay. e.value.trim is not a function. So let me do one thing. So constant. Let me set as a value is equals to e dot target dot value. Okay. So cut this, paste it at my top, pass this value inside here, and here also value. Fine, seems. Yeah. Can you able to see Sabri now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if we type here, so will we get an entire value here? So now what will happen if you want to click this and you want to view the page, you can do it. See, can you see?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is how the perspective of filtering works. Is the one part of filtering, okay? So we'll move on to another part of filtering. So how it is this? So in normal website, you will be seeing like left hand side will be having category. If we click on category, that will be filters, right? So as well as the pagination also will be there. So we'll also look into that. And then in top of the this, if we divide this into a two part like a grid of a column, top from top will be having two drop down. So one is A to Z, B to A, so this kind of thing, and then one will be value per row. Okay, so that also, then left hand side will be using filter based on category. So this will be entirely map inside that. Okay, so now let me go with I think I'm having something here. Okay, hoodies. Sorry. Okay, I'm having this new page here. So now what I'm going to do here is, first thing, uh, let me do one thing. Okay. Okay. So first, I want a filter value. So that will be called inside my uh, main content. Right. So here only I'm passing my value. Okay. So now inside my card, I'm having products. So all the things. So this will be divided into two, three parts. So first thing will be go here. Give us this thing. Okay. The first thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the UI. I'll come to that part. So first let me do this, and then I need the current page, item per page, and sort order. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write this here. Okay, just telling you. Okay, so now what this does? So sort order means we are going to sort with the help of A to Z, B to A from the value that's fetching from here. Okay, so from our data, so we are going to fetch that with the help of a sort value. So for that also item we are going to pass. So per item will be having 15 values. Okay, so current page will be 1, so that will also use inside the pagination. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is, okay, the first thing will be okay, so what I have to do is, let me keep this. So now I need filters value. With the help of categories also, I'm going to set inside my value. I'm going to map it to that. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just explain to you this here. Just give me a second. So first thing, let me copy this and I will come there. So yeah, in my top of function. Okay. Okay. Let me keep this as data, and okay, I have to call one more value called set categories. So let me declare this at top of the way. So another thing will be like set category. So set categories, categories, and then we will go with the set categories. Okay. So let me keep this as an empty string. So now, what I'm doing here is I'm having my data. Okay. So I just retrieve my product.data here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is this data is in passed into a filter. Okay, so I'm just calling this one will be a data, so it will be fetching. So if you want to filter it, we'll be using that. So res.data.provider coming from my API response. Then what I'm going to do is constant unique category. Okay, so each and every category, if I click on filters, that should be changes. Okay, for that's the purpose. Okay, yeah. What I have to do is data dot product. I'm going to access the product here. So okay, data dot product means this data. Okay, data dot products. Inside there is a value called products. So dot map. So product dot category. I'm just going to filter only category values. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to filter the category values. Okay, so now I'm just retrieve only category value. I'm just going to recline. So now I'm just setting my categories. Okay, so the next thing will be here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to filter, handle category filter. Okay, so filtering. So the checkbox for that thing, what I'm going to do is I'll just explain you here. Okay. So now again I have to declare what I have to do here is instead of product. So what we have declared is that will be a data, right? So data, and I have to pass here will be the data. So I just only I need to need this. So that will be an empty string, right? Constant. Give this here. Close this. Okay. Uh, uh, so now it will be selected category. So give us as a use state here. Okay. Okay, right, done. So now, okay, so what I have done here is I have just filtered my category. So what will happen this is, so first in my handle change, I'm passing my parameter value category. So that category will be called inside that because I need a search value. So set category. So I'm just declining a use set for that. Select category. So if my category value, what I'm passing to my parameters, inside that I'm going to filter the value, filter product. So here I am calling an array. So another filter data dot filter product dot category is equal category. If this category matches with the help of a filter category, it will be show as a data, and then else if it not, it will pass into a normal values. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. So now what I'm going to do is the first thing I will break into a two parts. The first thing, okay, let me move into that UI. So just give me a second here. So just need to know what is this UI context. Okay. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है need the left sidebar. Okay, so first thing will be the left sidebar. So what I have to do here is, okay, let me go with uh, whether it will be fine or not. Let us check. Okay, okay, uh, again, yeah. So here I have to pass, instead of data I have to pass filter product. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to map into a row and column. Okay, so just give me a second. I have to map this into a row and column. Uh, okay. Already having row. So in that I am mapping. So okay, let me do one thing. Control X, pass this. Let me check what is happening here. Okay, categories document. Acha. So that should not be right. I think this is sure. Okay. Mhm. I need to check. Okay. Instead of calling inside, we'll look into UI later. Console.log of category. Okay, I have to check this. What will be the category, all category. Mm, categories. Okay. Let me do one thing. Mhm. Ah, now can you able to see Sabri here?
Yes,
Sabri?
sir.
Yeah, okay. So if I click on beauty, I think beauty will be selected. See here, I'm only be getting beauty. If I click on all fragrance, only fragrance will be here. So if I click on furniture, so only furnitures will be here. And if I click on groceries, I will get only groceries. Now, do you understand the filtering based on the categories? If I click on all categories, so all the products will be here, right? So this is the
Yes.
code. You just go through once again and just let me know. We'll move on to the next one. See what I have the name. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So I think the next one is drop down, right? So next one is the drop down. So two drop down and the pagination should become. So for first we'll complete the sort order. So how it is, that's okay. Just give me a second here. Okay. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a function here as of now. Okay. So this is will be the sort order function. Okay, writing handle change. So what I'm going to give is I'm going to using the switch case statement. Okay, from the value. So title I'm going to, some will be the title, some will be the price from the values. So what I'm going to do here, handle sort a function inside and passing a value called parameter. So already I'm having a set order. Okay, set order here. Already I'm having, it's an array. Sorry, value. So what I'm going to do is sorted product. Okay, the first switch case order. So first will be A to Z. I'm calling from ascending to descending. So sorted product. So what I'm having in my filter product. Okay, so this one here it is, right? Filter products. So yeah, so using the spread of the sorted product is an array. So if I want to copy in multiple I mean duplicate value of an filter product, so I'm using the spread operator. So using the spread operator will be defined as sorted product into the as known as a filter products. Okay, with the spread operator. So now in the switch case statement, I'm going to give the order. So A to Z sorted products. So this array dot sort A comma B is A dot title dot local compare B dot title. So same thing will be, then add the break and go with the case here. So then Z to A sorted product dot sort A comma B dot title dot local compare, okay, A dot title. So if I want latest, I mean ID with the help of ID 1, 2 or 3, 4. Okay, for that purpose what you have to do is latest, give a keyword called latest sorted product dot sort A comma B. So B dot ID next one to the value upper one. So 2 come matlab my I mean 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So on the concept. So then oldest means the same thing will be A minus 2. So that concept. Okay, and low to high, the price A dot price. Low means A to low, so A dot price comma B dot price, and then high to low give a keyword, a sorted product, B dot price comma A dot price. Do you understand this sort handle functionality? So then you have to pass into self product set filter product array value that pass this sorted product. Do you understand now? Have you understand so far, Sabri? Just raise your
Yes,
hand.
sir.
Okay. Next thing what I'm going to do here is I have to use my sort product in my drop down. So for that, I am just copying this code. Okay, right now we are not having enough time to do that. So go this here. Okay, where I have to do is already I'm having this. Okay, let me pass it here. It's no issues. Let me do one thing. Okay, as of now, let me comment this. So I will come to that part also. So see, I'm writing. So nothing. Just select. Okay, drop down value option A to Z, B Z to A. So this should be the same. So what you are passing here, okay? So the case of switch statement should be same. So don't give any other name, so it won't work. Okay. So now is everything is fine. So now let us check this. See here. If now I'm going with low to price, okay, high to low. Can you able to see high to low means I'm getting only high to low products here. Okay. If I want this to be like oldest, that will be oldest. If I want latest, it will be a latest. And then if I want descending to ascending, so from will be W R R P and then K K G J I. Do you understand now, Sabri, how it is work?
Yes.
Okay. And next one will be a filter. Okay, so per page. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just explain to you that. Mm, don't worry, I haven't copied this code. Okay, this is my own code what I have written previously. Okay, so we don't have enough time, so that I'm just copying and pasting. Okay, and I'm just explaining you the concept. Okay, don't get me wrong. Is that okay, Sabri?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I'm going to write a handle function first. Okay, so this is handle function. So I'm going to change the value count with the help of a count. So already I have declared set item per page will be 15 and current page will be 1. So for this I have first I need this only 2. Okay, first let me filter this. Go here. Okay, go to my code here. Just paste it in the above statement. Okay, and it is safe. So let us check what is come. So first it will be a 15 value. Okay, yeah, I have to calculate this. Okay, so 15 per value. So now I am passing the handle item. So right, so what I have to do is I have to use the paginated product. So this will be called inside my filter. Instead of filter product, this will be called as a paginated. Okay, So now what I'm going to do, I'm just copying this. Okay, goes here. So instead of filter product, pass this paginated product. So now I'll be having values here, only 15 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I want to change, okay, I mean 20, I'll get an extra here. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If I want another value 30, I'll get the 30. Now do you understand so far, Sabri?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the row per page. Okay. So now I'm going to work on functionality based pagination. So we'll work on the page in how the pagination works. I'll show you in the bottom of the page. Okay. So what we have to do is I'm just copying this value. Okay. I'm just copying this. Okay. Nothing. We already written all the thing, just paginated value. So after this, pass it here. So I need to give a paginate function. So yeah. So here it is. So calling this function here. I'll just show you the pagination. Can you able to see? First pagination, I'm having 30. Okay, let me keep into 50. So what will happen? I will came as a 2. Now do you understand, Sabri, how it has been changing? Pagination. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so what we have shown today is here is to be filter and then here to be. So let me do one thing. Let me bring this all in a tree part. Okay, let me work on this UI. So that will be really helpful for you also. So look into that. Go with cut this all the thing. Yes, write div, map it inside. The final div will be content normal style. So it will be applicable for all the things style, display, flex. Okay, justify content will be center. Okay, not center. Let me check what happened in center. Oh, okay, center. Okay, let me give us a space. Bit between. Okay, so this is okay. No, now I have to. Okay, so yeah, so for this also another one I have to give this. Okay, so go here. I have to check. Okay, this is fine. So this this. Let us leave as it is. Okay. No, I'm not going to leave as it is. Okay, can you able to see now? I have called this the top of the page. So this is a wherever you want, wherever you can use it either here. Okay, you can keep this card here. Okay, you can divide like layout like this. Okay, here card. So here filtering and here it is. Okay, so whatever it is, you can do it. So now in home, what we have shown so far is fetching the data product, adding the add to cart. So going to add to cart, then it will calculate the checkout. So only one remaining is pending. Okay, like payment. So we'll be looking into that tomorrow. And then apart from that, we'll be completing our entire, I mean, basics of e-commerce application. Okay, so that you can able to work on it and just let me know once we have completed your project by the by this end of the week. Okay, till Friday. If Friday or Saturday, I'll just look into it. Then I will just inform to the Besant team so that Sabri has completed his project and also the mock interview. Is that clear? Okay, Sabri. Do you have any doubts, Sabri, before winding up today's session?
No, sir.
Okay, sure. Okay. If you have any doubt, okay, you are having my number. Okay, just message me and call through me. If I'm available, if if I'm in my office work, if I get stuck, I'll be looking into your message and I replying you. Okay. If I have
Okay.
any doubts in regarding front-end development, yeah, I'm ready to help you. Okay, Sabri.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, man. Bye.
Thank you, sir.